I've always felt that in order for you to get to a certain level on YouTube, you always had to collaborate. Haley Dasovich, hey, can we do a collab? Give me so much clout. Issaplease. Hey guys, it's me, Issaplease, and welcome back to my channel. Happy 2020, everyone. Yes, this is the first video that I'm releasing on Issaplease on my personal vlog channel for the year 2020. 2019 was a really interesting year for me. I got to do so many things. It was also a really hard time for me. If you don't know, I went through a huge adjustment in my life. I got married. I actually closed down my business. It's like another story. So if you guys want to hear a story time about that, let me know. I will explain it if you guys want me to. I started by Hannah, and for the most part, my life has just been consumed with working with by Hannah and whatever my next step in life is. I definitely have some more time to do different projects, and so I wanted to bring back a couple of my old favorites, and I kind of wanted to focus also and go back to vlogging on my personal channel because I love just sitting here and being with you guys. So some things that I wanted to bring back in 2020 are definitely story times. On this channel, again, I want to do sit downs. I want to talk about growing up, my journey and my life and my experiences because I want you to learn from it as well. And I also want to share the crazy that's gone on in my life because there's been a lot. I definitely want to bring the podcast back, but I won't be doing it on a live format. Instead, I will be pre-recording those, and I may or may not always come out with a video of those, especially if I don't really feel like it needs a video. The next thing that I want to bring back, I guess, are maybe personal vlogs. It really just depends on what I'm doing or how busy my schedule is, but I might even upload some of my old vlogs that I wasn't or I never got the chance to edit. I will definitely try my best to do that. Yeah, so those are just a couple of the things that I want to do. I don't want to divulge everything because I don't want to say so many things that I'm going to do and end up not doing them in 2020. So just those 2-3 things for now. Since I'm already sitting down here and talking with you guys, I did ask a couple of you on my Instagram for some questions that you wanted to ask me, and I'm going to take the time to answer them right now. So if you have a minute, definitely stick around. If you're not following me on my Instagram just yet, make sure that you are following me. I am Issaplease there if you want to be a part of like fun games and questions like this, and I definitely do a lot of crazy stupid things on there, so make sure that you're following me. The first question comes from Chard. Alright, this is about by Hannah. Was it uncomfortable / awkward to use a thing that lets you pee standing up? Actually, it wasn't uncomfortable after I had gotten the swing of it. The first time definitely was uncomfortable because I had like 7 people watching me pee standing up, and I eventually peed on myself the first time, and that was really definitely embarrassing. But after that, okay, Raman, it wasn't that bad after, honestly. Julian Sibi is asking, when are you doing a podcast again? I am, okay, let's set a date for this. Can I do it in February? Yeah, I have like a week. I honestly want to have at least 10 episodes lined up, either video and audio or just audio, so I'm not like really pressured to release, but I will definitely release sometime February or March. Just give me some time. Bernard is asking me if I like the lights on or lights off. I can't say lights on or lights off. Lights on or lights off. What are you talking about, Bernard? Are we talking about sex? I like to do a lot of things with the lights on. Okay, you know what? Honestly, I just like the lights on in general. I'm afraid of the dark, so I even sleep with the night light on even if my husband's right beside me. But if you're talking about sex, we have sex with the lights on. Next question. Patty Manuel is asking me, if you could have any woman of influence as a guest on By Hannah, who would it be? And what would you two do together, and or what issues will you be discussing? Alright, that's a really good question, Patty. Thank you for asking that. So I think that you guys have noticed that on By Hannah, I don't really have a lot of collaborations with other women. I also, on this channel, don't do a lot of collaborations myself. Like, I think this is the best time ever to explain that. And I think the reason why I don't really have a lot of collaborations is because I've always felt that in order for you to get to a certain level on YouTube, you always had to collaborate. And a lot of my friends that I have off YouTube are obviously not into YouTube. Like, they don't watch it, they don't care about it. But they do support me in their own ways. They cheer me on and stuff like that. And most of the people that I know from YouTube who are at a certain level are very popular already. Like, I'm good friends with a lot of YouTubers, like let's say Alam and Jomi, and like I've met a lot of other people. But I never want to make someone feel like I was using them to my advantage, because obviously I'm a very small YouTuber on my own channel, and so I never wanted to invite someone on here and just be like, hey, can we do a collab? Because I knew that having them on my channel was gonna give me so much clout. And I never wanted someone to feel like that. So my stand was always to concentrate on my own thing and do my own content until I reached a certain point where I felt like I could have someone on here and we can both bring each other up. And that's basically why I never did collaborations with anyone. But I really would want to. And a couple of the people that, if I could, honestly, I would love to have Pari Tabuada here, because she is so smart. She's so empowered. She's really working for women empowerment and keeping us safe and giving us the fair advantage. And I've talked about it on my Hana, so you should definitely check it out. Another woman that I would love to collab with is definitely Dani Olan, or Danielle Olan. I met her a couple weeks back at an event, and ironically, we live right across each other. We grew up across each other. Her dad is my godfather, and her dad and my mom are like really good friends. But I never met her other than online and at that event. But I would love to work with Dani. Check her out. She does amazing content. She's inspired me a lot. Another person or another woman that I would love to collaborate, just within like this circle that I know, I would really, really love to collaborate with Hailey Dasovich again. I think that she's so empowered and set in her ways a lot. Like, she's such a strong woman, and I actually really did get along with her so much, especially when I met her. Alright, so I realized that I didn't get to answer the second part of this question, which was, what would you guys do? So I definitely want, or would want to do different, like, I would definitely want to challenge like different gender norms with this person that I would be able to collaborate with. Honestly, a lot of my other influences are just women that I know from like growing up, and that would definitely have to be Oprah. I love Oprah. I always say I want to be the next Oprah. I would love to work with, I'd love to just be on the Ellen DeGeneres show, or like not even to like be interviewed by her, but I would want to like, you know, just sit there. I love Ellen so much. Ellen, I think, is a great woman. And also another person that I would love to work with is Michelle Obama. I know that sounds so crazy, but you know, I never thought that I'd be online, so who knows, I might actually get to meet these people. Those are like my 3 biggest influences in life. So those are the 3 people that I really want to meet. I also have another question here. Okay, someone asked, why do you look so cute? This takes like an hour and a half to do, honey. So, you know, you can only actually say I'm cute if like you've seen me without makeup on and like being silly, but most of the time it's a lot of editing. So yeah, that was a very quick Q&A. I just wanted to answer that to get it out of the way, because I promised I would do it. So yeah, that's what I have planned for 2020, and it just feels so good. I'm telling you guys, it just feels so good to sit in front of a camera and just talk aimlessly and just hang out with you guys. I guess I really missed it. I really did miss it. So I will catch you guys in the next video. I hope that comes out soon. I promise I'll shoot the mukbang this week, so I have something to edit. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you need someone to talk to, follow me on all my socials. You can send me a DM, a private message, an email. I'm available on all platforms. You can even send me a text message if you can find my number somewhere. Please don't call me. Like, you guys really like to call, and I don't like to answer phone calls. Just text me, okay? And yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys are watching by Hana. It comes out every Wednesday at 7 o'clock. Bye!